getting like hot. Well, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you are new or haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely just help get the channel out there. So today's video, we're gonna be installing my new spacers, the thicker ones, because right now currently on the car, as I've said previously multiple times, that I have the 20 mil spacers on the fronts and then the 30 in the rears, but I think I'm gonna go 30 all around, and you guys are gonna see why. Hopefully I like it, because if not, like, then I'll probably just end up putting the 20 mil back on, and yeah, we're just probably gonna end up rolling with that. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car both sides, and then we're gonna go ahead and get sorted. So these are the ones that I currently have on right now, the 20 mil, and the fitment looks like this, but I want it to be a little bit more sticking out, so let's see what it looks like. But nonetheless, this is what these spacers look like. If I can get it out the bag. Dude, these things are thick. It's really, really thick. And I got these from Z1 Motorsports. I think they come in like, I think for a pair, I think it's like 90. But yeah. Alright, so I took most of the lug nuts off the first tire. Damn, what the fuck was that? Damn, that shit hurt. I gotta use this key to take the last one off because my boyfriend fucked up my lug nut, but it's okay. We're just gonna stick this sucker on there and take it off, and then yeah. All right, we have one wheel off. All right, so dang. Finding the size for this is kind of weird. This is a 19, but looks like that's perfect.
So you got this little tiny person now breaking apart. What? It's what's happening. You're tiny and you're a person. So she's finally breaking apart the. Well, not breaking apart, but she took off her 25 mils to put on some.
It's 20. Actually.
Oh, 20 mils. I'm sorry. To put on.
Difference between them.
It's like you, the guy she told you not to worry about. You know what I mean? But yeah.
It's. Can you tell? Like.
Not really. You can't really tell, to be honest. But nothing like putting on a bigger spacer rather than just getting wheels that fit.
Well, it's because right now, like, I don't plan on getting wheels like anytime soon. So it's like I want to make my.
You're famous, dude. You should be getting wheels.
I know everyone always like complains, like, when are you getting wheels? I was like, I'm not rich, like, relax. You gotta give it time. So wait, where's the
19?
Yeah, so we use the 19 for the spacers, and I think
the regular size I think is like a 22 or something like that. So
what?
21. What size is the regular OEM lug nuts? Because I know you use
it's like 20 something.
I think it's a 22.
Ooh, look, dang, all brand new and shiny. Dang. He's so annoying. But it looks so good. Okay, we're gonna put the tire on. Ooh, we finna see. I don't know, babe. I think it's fine.
Let's see, because it's a tad aggressive.
Oh wait, I see it. Yeah. Oh, let's see, but hopefully it does. Damn. Shit.
Yeah, it came out good.
I know.
I thought it was gonna be a little too aggressive.
Yeah, because I mean it's like a 10 millimeter difference from 20 to 30, but damn, it looks so good.
Dang, basic math. Thanks for teaching us.
Okay, so we just have one more to go, and then we should be good. But I'm pretty excited because, bruh, always trying to steal the damn spotlight. I am super close. Like, the fender's right here, and I just gotta get the alignment done because this one already has 30 in the rear, so we'll see. Oh god, good luck doing that. Oh shit, he did it! Oh damn. Alright you guys, so this is how she currently is sitting right now with the 30 mil spacers that we put on, I want to say a couple days ago. That's what she looks like. I do want to definitely lower it a little bit more in the front because, you know, why not? And then again, like I said, I'm going to fix the alignment in the rear, or just overall in the entire car. That way the car starts to sit a little bit more flush. And I think it's a comfortable way of like I guess just trying to get like a good fitment if you're not planning on getting wheels anytime soon. I am in the works on trying to get wheels. Damn, look at that doo-doo on my freaking windshield, dude. But yeah, she looks really good. And I personally think these stock wheels versus the other ones are a lot better. So yeah, she's coming together. She's looking good. But if you guys have any questions regarding the spacers or just installing them, anything, any kind of concerns, just let me know in the comments or just get directly to me at VQZabella on Instagram. And I'm always checking my messages and in my requests, and so I will most likely get to you. So dang, it is sunny, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll just keep updating you guys, like, you know, the more we continue with the car. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.